Today I'll show you how to create and how to delete a folder on Yahoo Mail. If you're looking forward to see how to make mails automatically get into that folder, I will place a video at the end of this one, and also you'll find that tutorial in the description of this video because some people are here just to learn how to create and how to delete folders. That being said, first of all, you have to open an internet browser, one of your choose, and search for mail.yahoo.com, sign in into your account, and once you are on this page, you will see folders on the bottom left corner right here. The junk, I believe, is the default one which everybody has created. In order to create one, you'll have to press on this button which says new folder, and you can name it as you want. You can name it nature as an example. Let's press on this blue button and we just created a folder as it says right here, folder has been created. If you want to create a subfolder to nature, hold your mouse onto the folder and you will see this arrow pointing down. I'll press on it and I can either rename it nature 2 as an example, or I can move the folder to another one as an example to junk. If I'll press on it, I just added the nature 2 as a subfolder to junk, but I don't want this, so I will just delete that and continue. If you want to delete a folder, as I did before, you just have to hold your mouse over it and press on this arrow and you can press on delete folder. So that was the tutorial how to create and how to delete folders on Yahoo Mail. If you're looking forward to see how to set up emails to get automatically into a specific folders, click on that tutorial that showed up on the screen right now. I hope you have a great day.